I hope your phone doesn't fall out.
Garrett, are you ready for this?
Yeah, pretty ready.
It's a gnarly Honda. Garrett, 2 hands on the steering wheel.
Oh, at all times.
9 and 3.
Let me just stick this fucking hat back here.
Weight reduction.
Fucking weight reduction.
Whatever that means for a Dodge Challenger, right?
Doesn't mean shit.
Doesn't mean shit.
You ready?
Yep. Did you have it in sport mode?
Yeah.
Fuck, that thing is quick. Fuck. Get behind him and let him turn around. Oh, you gotta turn this thing
Told
around.
you! Told you! Yes!
Sport mode 2! That was fucking...
fucking boat!
You drive a fucking boat.
Roll my windows up so when I come back... Fuck! So
the life of a boat.
The life of a boat.
Oh my god. That was good fun though. See, I think in my car I'd race that Ford Focus, and that's about all I'd be able to keep up with. So, I remember when I ran you on the highway. Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
I actually stayed with you for a bit.
Because boat.
Because boat.
V6 boat.
And then V6 kicked in, and I had no power in 4th gear. So, what's he doing? Okay, just go around these guys. Currently on the wrong side of the road. That's good. That's all right. Everybody's looking at the Corvette guy. Corey with the Corvette. He's so cool. I need a fucking Corvette in my life. Beautiful Nissan. And there you go. That was a 20 roll between Garrett's Rally Redline V6 Challenger in sport mode and Jonathan's RSX Type S, which you've seen in some of my videos before, the loud ass one.
That was fun.
Good shit. He drives a fucking boat. That's what
I drive a boat. Leave me alone. Damn it.
I was expecting it to be a little closer though.
I kind of was too.
Manuals are just better.
Did it feel good to put?
Yeah,
your
you
foot down?
fucking hopped.
Yeah, it was kind of fun.
You freaking hopped, dude. I'll have to
Oh,
check
yeah.
the footage.
Well, like I said, 20 roll. This thing fucking pulls from a 20 roll.
Let me check the footage.
Send that.